Oh, it's all
This
right.
guy's right across from us. Right there.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
And his wife there? Yeah. I ain't going back in there. Not yet. Those sprinklers didn't go off. Oh. I'm going to wait until they all go in. You hear me? I'm not going in yet until they're done.
You're going back.
I wait until they all go in. I'm waiting, and then I'll go up. I'm not cramming. I'm not going back in. Not yet. I'm going to wait until they go. They're all going to be rushing up there. Let them go. Let them go up.
She's yawning.
Will she? They grabbed their luggage. No. Let me grab my Fitbit. Don't go. Okay, we're all cramming. Bill, don't go in here. Bill, get back.
Falscher Alarm, Sie können wieder auf die Zimmer gehen. Ein paar Stühle sind auch freigegeben.
Sprinkler should have gone off. I'm gone on this hotel. Okay, we're going back in. Their excuse was the shower's too hot. I don't believe them one bit. Probably somebody had a cigarette and it went off. This is not a hot shower because I was in the shower forever, extremely hot, and I never set it off, and I let the door come open too. What gets me in this H Plus hotel is the fire sprinklers did not go off. So I'd say this hotel's not safe.